New to Canva? Let's take a quick tour so you know where everything is. Here on the home page, you'll find templates for anything you want to create, from social media posts to presentations. You can easily choose along here. Inside the editor, the left panel is where you add elements, text, photos, and uploads. Everything you need lives right here. Along the top, you'll find tools for colours, fonts, and styles. This is where you customise your design. And when you're ready, hit share to download or publish your design directly to social media. That's your quick Canva tour. You're ready to start creating. Follow along for part 2 where we'll edit a template together.